Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You press the power button and begin. Do that now so setup progresses. Connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet to allow updates and time sync because many features rely on network access. Create or sign into a user account, use a memorable password, and enable a recovery option. Once done, the system may download updates. Let that run while you read initial prompts and install drivers if prompted. Make sure battery or power remains connected so the process isn't interrupted. You land on the desktop and explore. Identify the Start menu, taskbar, and notification area so navigation becomes predictable. Open the File Manager, locate the Documents and Downloads folders, then create a test folder and save a simple file to confirm write access. Install a reliable browser and an antivirus or enable built-in protection. Sign into the browser to sync bookmarks if you want. Once set, pin frequently used apps to the taskbar for faster access and close unused windows to keep the system responsive. You complete setup by running updates and restarting to apply them. This fixes early bugs and improves security. Configure automatic backups to the cloud or an external drive and perform a test restore so you know the process works. Adjust display, sleep, and power settings to save battery or prevent unwanted shutdowns. If something goes wrong, say the computer won't boot, power cycle, then attempt safe mode to uninstall a recent driver. That single troubleshooting step often restores a working state before deeper steps are needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.